Okay, I get down. Let me have a one.
Which of you get down?
What is going on? Shut up! What's your do? You mad?
Eh?
I said shut up.
See the boko. Okay, you shut up. Don't shut up first. Do that. Say you never come. What you talk?
If you not was slap.
Let us. Okay.
What am I shooting? What you go do? What you go do?
You. Keep quiet.
Sorry.
You mad? You don't hear what you talk. Shut us. You say what you?
See, no hit me.
Will you keep quiet? You go do it.
I want to make slap for you.
Wait, come. You know, wait. On a two. Man will shut up.
Mama, keep quiet. I bet you go.
Do you realize if I do you realize I am here? The boss is here.
And so?
Shut us.
No, you know the year where I tell me say make a make.
Okay, shut up. Sorry, sir.
Okay, so on a two get plans, Abi. Lie for this one, say you know the data. Because if you know the data, this thing is broken. But they follow me, they talk.
It's very close. I mean, push like this.
If I do you understand that if you lay your hands on her, you step up.
See, I go to waste slap for this guy. I go to waste slap for your
No, so that they do for Nigeria.
Okay, can I hear myself? Please.
Is this how you work?
I mean, push like. Never go.
Is this how you push?
I'm so sorry, sir. I'm so very sorry. It's my fault.
Okay, let me face you.
Are you the boss?
Yes, I am the boss. Please, what can we do for you?
I want to cut my hair. I just want to cut my hair.
Okay, let me face the customer.
Can you just shut your trap?
Sorry.
Ikem.
Sir.
Please, attend to him.
Sometimes
it's because of all this problem.
Make una respect yourself.
Who called this one?
Bros, come. Just come.
swear to God.
This shop is just boring. No TV, nothing. And my sub is even finished.
This thing where you just complain now, so you just remind me when I be England. I for don carry una go better place now. Go do una head spa, all this organic design one that they do body. Come on, safe. You even pass chemistry safe.
And who tell you I no pass chemistry? You dey my school with me.
Tini Boski.
I beg go on one side. You sure say they no deport to come Nigeria? You dey they talk this this.
Don't do because say you go, you wan go play ball. Now make you do this year, you don't pass the test. This air now, you not go. You not fit thief one of this thing make you do. They so weak.
I beg don't just enter my matter this afternoon. I beg.
Tini Boko. Tini Boko, tell me true. You don't reach 10 years.
I don't call me.
Santos.
Fake shop. Anyway, take this money. Go to any nearest provision store you see around. Tell them to give you crystal